No, look pan them and people here what me I have to come do this a building here. Then wait till snow fall. Look at snow white ground there. I know them a come fi come dig out foundation and I load up the list sitting here. I don't even know what them. Tractor, what that, excavator, whatever they are. Load you up now. Suppose you see me yard. Look here. Kumoko. Ku plaka. Ku meke. One heap of truck them a come with. Call me wood them a carry with. I carry them with them. If you ask me if you want you know. Then when they done that about me yard, then come with that little trash ya. Come dump ya so. Tell me now. You see any trash there so? What can deal with all them muck there where you see a ground? Do pa me house side or out the tan. Kupa make. I saw some mud and gravel and make this you know, brother. Why then wait till snowfall if come round here so? This a place here look like say a Peppa Pig live here, you know. And me can't take it back, you know. Cause they start already. Why I tell you. Please let me know if anybody needs some mud so me can ship some Congo no.